happy and prosperous. $5 bet, 10 cent and is what we're going for, folks. We got the bonus. Which one are we gonna pick? I'm gonna go for the yellow. 200 at it's good though. I want it to hold and spin. Come on. 200 what at it? I don't see shit. Wow. Come on. Well, that's a good one, I think. There we go. Pretty much a full screen. The cats and the tens and then firecrackers. Let's see. We got a few bucks here. Not bad for a $5 bet, huh? Thank you, Hard Rock Atlantic City. Looking for that major, but we got probably half of it. Still going. We got 500 bucks. What do we got? Okay. Beautiful. Last spin. 510 bucks. Gotta love it. Got another bonus here. We're still in good. We're doing pretty good. 579 and let's do it. This is what we're looking for. Come on. All right, what are we gonna do? We're gonna try the yellow again. Let's go to white this time. Come on. Hold and spin. All right. Need some big numbers. Come on, big numbers. Drop that minor. Oh, that was horrible. Come on. How about the major? Come on. Look at this is the numbers we want, folks. $5 bet. It's not giving me some real big numbers here. Come on. Come on. Where's those big numbers? 1,500 or so. Come on. All right. 10 bucks. All right. Come on. Drop some big numbers. Oh, there's the mini for 100 bucks. We'll take it. All right, another $5. Make you holla. Come on. Oh, I saw the minor flash. Why don't you drop that minor on me? Come on. Save it now. Come on. I think we're done. We are done. A little bit of money here. Not bad, 180 buckaroos. We'll take it. It's a quiet machine. Hard Rock Atlantic City. Here we go. We got another one going here on a $12.50 bet. Got a mini in there. Maybe some bigger numbers coming out, maybe. Maybe nothing. Come on. Come on, drop me a minor, major or something. All right, $25. Come on. Come on, happy and prosperous. Make me happy and prosperous. Come on. Uh-oh. Come on, drop me a big number. Word. All right, now we're going to speed things up. $11,000 would be nice for that grand. Come on, let's do it. You're going to tease me now? Come on. Nothing showing. Come on. One showing there. That's that. A little something. We'll take it. We'll take it. Not real big numbers for a 1250 bet, but we'll take it. Thank you very much. Got another one. A chance to drop something bigger. Let's drop that major. Let's drop that minor. Come on, happy and prosperous. Let's make it happen now. Come on. Come on, Hard Rock. Make us some money. I saw the minor go by. Come on. What's going on? Save it. Drop that blue minor. There we go. Oh, there's a good one. $30. Come on. Fill it up. Come on. I know you got a bigger one coming. Come on. $7.50 bet now. Come on. Come on. Drop it. Drop it. Save it. Thank you. Oh, there we go. Speed it up and drop it, baby. There goes the minor again. Come on. Come on, big number, big number. Fill it up, baby. Fill it up. It's done. That's okay. Another half decent. Got a $100 mini in there. $317.50. Where the hell did they come up with that number? We'll take it. $888.80. Wow, isn't that funny? Look at that. $888.80. All right, not bad. All right, we need to make up some money here. Look, we're down to $365. $750 back. Come on, give me something here. $750. That's not enough. Come on. Another $750. Don't be cheap. Drop me a word, damn it. And she's going to give me 15 $750s. Oh my gosh, come on. Being cheap. Another $750. Jesus. Oh, there goes the major. There goes the minor. Come on, save it with something. Ah, you cheap bastard. Crap bonus. Look at these numbers. I'm losing now. But we're going to get it back. We had a mini in here. Come on, happy and prosperous. Drop some nice numbers here. Need a word. Where's my words at besides the mini? Come on, give me another word. Big word. Give me a green word. Come on. How about a random grand? That happens. Come on, save it, save it. There we go. We got a $15. How about a $2,500 orb? It's in there. Come on. And they're going right by. How about you save it now? Oh, thank you. Save with $25. Come on. Need another zero on that. Oh, how about we fill it up for 11 grand? That would be nice. Come on, let's do it right now. Let's just fill this thing right up. A little Christmas gift. Come on. Come on, baby. Fill it up, Buttercup. Come on, 11 grand. $11,095.65 right now. Come on. And there it goes. Can't get any closer than that, folks. We're climbing our way back. $235 bonus. A quick finger action, landed it on a bonus. How about that? I cheated then. They're probably going to cheat me now, but hey, let's try. Come on, Hard Rock. Drop me a word. Word. Do it right now. Come on, give me a big word. Come on. Where's that major at? Come on. Little numbers. Little numbers. Come on.
apologize. You can't videotape.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
All right, we got yelled for taping.